Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is unary function. A unary function is a function that takes exactly one argument and performs an operation using that single input. The term unary refers to the number 1 and it contrasts with functions that take multiple arguments. Example, binary function which take two arguments. Key characteristics of unary function. It takes only one argument. It can return any value based on that argument, whether it's a transformation, computation, decision. Example of unary function. A simple unary function that doubles the input. We have a arrow function that takes single argument and x lambda x multiply by 2. When we call with 5 with that double method, the output is 10. In this example, the double function is unary because it takes only one argument x and doubles it. Unary functions in functional programming. In functional programming, unary functions are often used because they are simpler and more predictable. Many high order functions like map, filter, etc. in JavaScript take unary functions as an argument, enabling you to apply a single operation on each element of an array. Example of unary function with map. Here we have an array of numbers that 1, 2, 3, 4 and numbers dot map and one argument lambda x multiply with 2 x multiply with x. So the squares, when we call with the squares, so it takes each one argument. So exit 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9 and 4 into 4, 16. So in this example, the function x lambda x multiplied by x is a unary function that squares the number. It's passed to map which applies to each element of the numbers array. More complex examples of unary function. We have a unary function that checks if a number is even. We have a const is even, a number lambda number percentile 2 equal to 0. So is even 4 output is true and is even 5 output is false. Here is even is unary function that checks if a given number is even by performing a modulus, that means percentile modulus. It takes a single argument num and returns a boolean true or false. Summary. Unary function, a function that accepts one argument and performs a task using that argument. It is often used in functional programming and when working with high order functions in JavaScript. So friends, this is all about unary functions in JavaScript. Thank you.